Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And today is Magical Mask Monday, and which we do a face mask and an oracle card reading. So hopefully my air conditioner doesn't pop on. If it does, I'll pause till it goes back off because I know it's noisy. And when I first bought that air conditioner, it was quiet, but for whatever reason, the noise level that it produces has amped up. So today we're going to use, I think it's the second to the last Marie mask. It's the Marine Collagen Facial Masks. It has marine complex collagen and algae, sea minerals for fresh looks, hyaluronic acid, pearl extract to smooth dull skin, and the hyaluronic acid is for fine lines and wrinkles. It says, cleanse your face, remove from bag, apply mask, wait up to 20 minutes, remove and enjoy soft skin. And this is by Marie LLC. And today's mask is coral pink. So we're going to open them. I like these open very well. I mean, I like them. I don't know if I'll purchase them again. I do like them. But I'm not sure if I'll purchase them again. I want to try out a couple other face masks and some eye masks. And I'm still using the Flex Beauty Day Cream. And I'm on day 8. I think it's day 8. See, and this is why I might not purchase these again. They seem really like, the way they're folded, it seems like they should just unfold, but they don't. It's like they're all twisted around each other. Or it's twisted around itself, I should say. Alright. And very easy to rip. I'm sure you can hear my cat crunching, because God forbid I get on this camera and make a video without her having to eat. So I had to pull the nose thing down. See what I mean? I'm just struggling with this. I want to get it up by my eyes, but not take a chance of that stuff dripping in my eye. Now, I will say, I have a high forehead, and I don't have an extremely long face, but if you had a longer face and a high forehead, these masks would not be for you, because they barely go down. I just rub the rest on my neck and the backs of my hands, especially since I've been getting a lot of sun. And I am allergic to sunscreen, so I do have sun damage on my face. It is what it is. Alright, so we're going to do our Moonology. We are going to actually shuffle and pull a card this week. I got my little table here. I can pull you down a little bit. Excuse the mess in the background. It's been a busy week. Make sure there's nothing that's going to damage my cards. my husband is at his granddaughter's birthday party today. So me and Gypsy are home alone. Yay. Alright, so I ask our spirit guides of everyone and my own that are watching this channel and my own spirit guides to help guide us for the most beneficial message that they can give us for this week of July 10th. So now you can't make this up. It's full moon in Cancer. We are in July. Wow. Okay. So there's that. Let's find the place in the book real quick. And you can't make that up. Turned right to the page. Isn't that weird? Alright, so there's the Moonology. We'll go to Ask Your Guides. And there goes the air conditioner, but we're going to continue on because I'm not talking. Hopefully it's not that distracting. And again, ask mine and your spirit guides to help us choose the best card for the week of July 10th, 2023. I'm trying to spread these out. Alright, close our eyes. We're going to go. Alright, what's this? Community, spiritual ancestors. And the card number is 3. Throw them back in the box. Alright. Sacred Forest deck. They're a little harder to shuffle. Alright, let's get them spread out. See what I mean with that air conditioner? It like does this weird thing where it starts blowing air, then it shuts off for a second, and then the compressor kicks in, it blows more air, and then it shuts off for a while. Alright, spirit guides, guide me to the best card and information that we need for the week of July 10th, 2023. And this is Elves, Playfulness, and it's number 15. Alright, we're going to wait this out, even though we're at 10 minutes now. This mask is staying on better than any of the ones before that I've used. It's ripped there, so... Oh, yay, now the neighbor's going to come home with his loud truck. Alright, we are going to start with Moonology. And it's the full moon in Cancer. It says a personal issue reaches resolution. That is what the card looks like. Things are likely to get very heated, as full moon in Cancer is a super emotional sign. So there could be something of an explosion of feelings around now or surrounding any of your questions. It's an important card. There are some very fine sensibilities around, so tread carefully as you move towards your goals or dreams. This card indicates an especially feminine time. It also heralds the time to deal with any family issues that are coming up. Nothing to worry about. It signals a challenge is now coming to an end. This card also suggests both that a domestic matter or private issue will soon come to a head, and that it's a great time to move house. The answer to your question lies in being kind, in being a kind leader. This is the time for you to step up and agree to overcome your own insecurities. Additional meanings are meditate to soothe heightened emotions, don't be clingy, stop sulking, have you had enough family time lately? The heightened emotions of the moon and Cancer combination can't be ignored. However, Cancer is one of the moon's 2 home signs, along with Taurus. So astrologically speaking, the moon loves to be in this sign. In fact, she rules Cancer. This means that with this card, there's a sense that all is as it should be. Don't worry. All will soon be well. Okay. Wow, so that air conditioner's never ran that long, but whatever. Second card from the Ask Your Guides deck is Community, Spiritual Ancestors. Your spiritual ancestors are gathering around you at this time, holding you in their light and connecting you with your spiritual family here on Earth. Your soul is now seeking the kind of love and support that comes from being a part of the right community, your people, so to speak. Not wanting you to feel isolated in any way. Your ancestors hear your soul call and are presently guiding you towards kindred spirits. Understand and realize that you can't achieve your goals alone. Be open to support. You need the soul energizing support of your tribe. Give up any notions you have of going it alone in life and develop the insight and wisdom to recognize your limitations. After all, even Christ picked 12 associates to help him accomplish his mission on earth. Follow your ancestors' directions. It is they who encourage you to join a club, enroll in a course, or sign up for neighborhood basketball team. You never know whom you'll meet. Your ancestors' message is open your heart and feel our presence in your life, and be open to your spiritual family on earth. That's pretty cool. All right, and the last card is the Sacred Forest, and it's elves, playfulness. The elves have invited you to dance with them under the stars and moonlight. The music begins and you twirl and leap with glee. Elves and fairies dance around you, and the wild spirit of the night fills you. All inhibitions dissolve, and you giggle with delight at the spirit of playfulness that embraces you. Allow your inner child to play. Embrace your innocence. If you have been taking life too seriously, this card reminds you to lighten up. All that is required of you is to enjoy yourself. If your responsibilities and hard work have clogged your life force energy, it's time to give yourself a break and have some fun. Nurture your spirit by doing something unexpected, madcap, or even silly. The greatest gift you can give the world is your joy. So make play a priority. Like fairies, elves are diminutive beings that live in the forest, meadows, hollowed out tree trunks. There are accounts of elves throughout history and in every country of the world. Many people attest to having seen them playing in the woods. In some tradition, they are thought to be gleeful tricksters with a reputation for pranks and mischief. Allow this joyous energy into your day now. The spirit of the elves say, embrace your innocence. Let go of heavy responsibilities. Give yourself a break. Nurture your spirit by doing something fun. Joy is as important for sustaining yourself as the food that you eat. That was a beautiful message. That kind of all goes together. So we got spiritual ancestors, playfulness, and the moon in Cancer. I think that was a great reading. So anyway, we are going to remove this mask and call it a day. So, I want to thank you for coming on over to this Magickal Mask Oracle reading. And hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload content like this. And please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. And of course, the air conditioner just shut off now that the video's over and I'm done filming. How convenient. But anyway, we're going to let that be the playful elves playing with the air conditioner, right? All right. So with that said, you guys have a great week. I hope that all your dreams come true this week and that everyone is safe and healthy. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.